The Xiaomi Mi Pad 5 is finally here. After months of rumors and speculations, and it seems the wait could well have been worth it. The tablet does look promising, at least the specs sheet would like us to believe that. A comparison with the iPad Pro launched earlier this year, 2 does not seem out of place either. As a tablet, especially the Mi Pad 5 Pro, seems well equipped to take on the Apple device. Here is the lowdown. Design and display. The Mi Pad 5 has already stated comes in two flavors, the basic Pad 5 and the high-end Pad 5 Pro. Needless to say, it is the Pro model that is the more exciting of the two. More so given its extremely affordable price tag, though the tablet has only been launched in China. And it is not known well if at all the tablet will make it to the foreign shores. Coming to specs, both the tablet model sport the same design and come with 11-inch size 2.5K LCD display that comes to around 275 pixels per inch, which better than iPad Pro 264 ppi pixel density. Marginally, the Xiaomi tablet otherwise have a peak brightness of 500 nits compared to 600 nits for the iPad Pro. The Mi Pad 5, however, matches almost all other display characteristics of the Apple offering, which include Dolby Vision HDR10, True Tone, a 120Hz refresh rate display, along with a 1500 by 1 contrast ratio. Bezels along the side are quite thin by tablet standards and housing the front cam as well instead of having a separate cutout for the same. Another common feature across the range is a quad speaker arrangement with Dolby Atmos support. Performance and price. For the processor, the Mi Pad 5 does not boast of the most powerful processor that an Android tablet is likely to come with. Instead, it is the Snapdragon 860 SoC that powers the Pad 5, while the Pad 5 Pro features the more powerful Snapdragon 870 chipset. The tablet runs MIUI for Pad, which can be seen as the same smartphone-oriented software that has been specially adapted for tablet device. The Mi Pad 5 comes with 6 gigs of memory along with 128 GB of storage that is priced at likely 1999 Chinese yuan, that is approximately $310, while the same with twice the storage is priced at 2299 Chinese yuan, that is approximately $350. With the Mi Pad 5 Pro, there is the same 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage for the starting model and is priced at 2499 Chinese yuan, that is approximately $390, while the variant have 6GB RAM and 256GB ROM, which set one back 2799 yuan, which is approximately $430. Then there is the 5G model as well that forms the top end model with 8 gigs of RAM and 256GB of storage, priced at 3499 Chinese yuan, which is $540. All dollar conversions are approximate estimates only for reference and aren't likely to reflect the actual pricing. All models are compliant with a stylus and a keyboard cover that is priced 349 Chinese yuan and 399 Chinese yuan respectively. For comparison's sake, the 11-inch iPad Pro is powered by the Apple M1 processor that is coupled to an 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage. The tablets start at $799. Camera. Coming to optics, both models support a pill-shaped camera module at the rear that reminds us of the company Mi 11 smartphone. The base Pad 5 comes with a single 13-megapixel rear shooter and an 8-megapixel front camera. With the Pro model, things remains the same save for the addition of a second 5-megapixel depth sensor at the rear. Things get even better with the 5G version where the primary camera is enhanced to 50 megapixel with everything else remaining the same. Battery. For power, the base Pad 5 gets an 8720 mAh battery, though that gets downgraded slightly to 8600 mAh on the Pro model. The Pro model get a 67 watt charger, while the same for the Pad 5 stand at 33 watt. Availability. The Mi Pad 5 series has only been introduced in China, though there is no word yet about its actual market availability. Also, it is not known when the tablet will make it to the other parts of the world. In fact, there is no surety of that happening either. So guys, that is it for today. I hope you like this video. If you do so, please hit that like button and subscribe this channel for more informative video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.